Here we have the Hamper Helper in the bathroom, energized. It seems to be dead to the world. I kind of walking away. Whoa! I woke it up. It's giving the laundry a spritz. Just kind of checking for level. And I'm going to walk around the bathroom a little bit. I guess I'm going to take a shower, so I'm going to throw my dirty clothes in there. Okay, so what am I going to do? To throw my towel in there. That didn't do much anything because it didn't trigger it. I guess the hamper's not full. Let's see what else I can throw there. I'm going to throw a jacket in there. Oh, hamper's full. Okay, so either I gotta take some clothes out and do some wash, or just kind of ignore it. That's why I intentionally didn't put a silence button on it. So there we go. The Hamper Helper is doing its job.